Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. Today we will talk about how to fix mechanical keyboard that is typing wrong characters. Let's start. First of all, check keyboard layout settings. Make sure the operating system is set to the correct keyboard layout. In Windows, open settings, choose time and language, then choose keyboard to verify and adjust the layout. Then disable the number lock. Accidentally enabling number lock can cause unexpected character inputs. Press the numlock key to disable it and test the keyboard. Update or reinstall keyboard drivers because outdated or corrupted drivers can lead to typing issues. Visit your keyboard manufacturer website to download and install the latest drivers. Check for physical damage. Inspect the keyboard for any signs of physical damage such as liquid spills or broken keys that may be causing the issues. Finally, test on another device. Connect the keyboard to a different computer to check if the problem persists. Thank you.